Well, when most people think of hearing aids, they think of big, clunky, obvious equipment on their ear. But you know what? Technology has really changed it all. Brian Emery, he's the owner of Emery Hearing Centers, and he's here to not only tell us, but show us the latest technology that's making hearing even easier. And it's good to see you.
Good to be here. Thanks for having me.
I'm glad you're back, because I always love and appreciate this information, because I think a lot of us are, if we have parents or someone in our life who keeps saying, what, huh? We're trying to do some of the research for them.
Right.
But you brought technology to the forefront. And I don't know if you can actually see it, but Brian is actually wearing some of the hearing aids on his ear. Brian, I didn't even know. I had to look twice to make sure that you were wearing them.
Right. This is actually our made for iPhone hearing aid. It's called a Halo from Starkey. It's it's changed the industry. So we've had a lot of things over the years that really advanced us and moved us along, and this has been one of the most game-changing pieces of equipment that we've had.
So how new is this technology?
It's roughly about a year old.
Okay, so enough to work the bugs out.
Right, yeah, it's been getting better and better, and they've had software upgrades and all of those good things, so it really is streamlined, and they work very, very well.
Okay, and I know we can see it in his ear, but we have a photo of one that's made for the iPhone, but just to give you an idea of relatively how small it is compared to the phone, it's a very small device, and you use your phone for what purposes?
Well, you can use your phone, you can use your iPad, you can use your iPod Touch, the one that has the pull-up screen. It actually has the ability to act as a remote for the hearing aids. So if you get into a situation where we need to change program memories for different situations, if we want to change volume control. And then there are also some other functions, such as we have something called sound space on this, where you're holding it right here. Whenever you're in real time, you can pull something. Well, it's not responding right now, but
of course, even though we practice.
There we go. In real time, you can actually, and it's much, I did this because it's easier to see, but with your phone, in real time, you can pull up this screen, and it actually allows you to make adjustments on the fly while you're in a situation. And then using the technology in the phone, you can geotag the location you're in. The GPS will actually tell the hearing aids whenever you get into that situation that you are at a specific point on the map. It will switch automatically.
That is mind-blowing.
This serves as and obviously, once again, this is large, but it serves as a microphone. So if you're in a situation where it's impossible for anyone to hear, you can turn the microphone on your telephone. You can hand it to someone. They can talk directly into it, and they're talking directly into the hearing aid in your ear.
Okay, so what if you don't have an iPhone?
If you don't have an iPhone, a lot of these capabilities are still available to you. We have other instruments that work with other, Android-based telephones.
Is that this one?
Yeah,
here?
and that's
okay.
this is
so this
once
is
again
something similar,
right?
But it's made for a different format.
Right, correct.
Okay,
so any of your Android-based phones, LG.
Just this big.
Yep,
That's what's
just
so
that
cool.
big.
No bigger than a cell phone.
Right.
Actually. All right. Tell me, you guys have a trial period, a 30-day trial period.
We do.
How does that work?
Yeah. Well, actually, you come in, you get evaluated. If we do find that you have a need, we fit you with the hearing aids for 30 days. You wear them. Not only, is there no risk due to money back, but we'll actually give you the products for the first 30 days at no cost at all.
See if you like it, see if it works for you. And
correct.
Little trial and error. You have to figure things out.
Right.
And how long does it take generally to get used to wearing a hearing aid if you've never worn
nowadays,
one before?
It's not like it used to be. It's a much faster process nowadays. So, a couple of weeks, 2 to 3 weeks. Most people make that adaptation.
All right, there you go. Emery Hearing Centers, they have 3 Valley locations for you to choose from. The address is right there on your screen. For Mesa, you can give them a call at 480-422-4237. In Peoria, 602-457-3212. And they also have a location in Sun City West at 623-748-5133. And they do have a special offer for you, Emery Hearing Centers. If you call now, you'll get $500 off a pair of hearing aids. There are the phone numbers right again, Mesa, Peoria, and Sun City West. And you can always log on to their website to learn more at emeryhearingcenters.com.